Hey children! Today in the chapter of tropical and subtropical regions, we are going to study how these ecosystems survive. Humans inhabit diverse environments worldwide, ranging from deserts to forests, sharing common needs like food, shelter, and clothing. Basic human behaviors are universal, regardless of proximity to nature. Next, we are going to explore a fascinating part of our world known as the tropical region. The tropics are regions of the Earth that lie roughly in the middle of the globe. The tropics lie between the latitude lines of the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. The tropics include the equator and parts of North America, South America, Africa, Asia, and Australia. In the tropical region, we find unique climates and landscapes. Let's study about Amazon Basin. The equatorial region, located near the equator between 10 degrees north and 10 degrees south, is characterized by dense tropical forests. It includes the Amazon River basin in South America, stretching from the western mountains to the Atlantic Ocean in the east. The place where a river flows into another body of water is called the river's mouth. Numerous tributaries join the Amazon River to form the Amazon Basin. The Amazon Basin isn't just unique for its location, it also has a climate unlike anywhere else in the world. The Amazon Basin stretches along the equator, so its climate is hot and wet all around the year. Both days and nights are equally hot and humid, making the skin feel sticky. It rains almost every day, and the day temperatures are high with high humidity, while night temperatures are low but the humidity remains high. This climate supports its rainforests. Because of the heavy rains, thick forests grow and create a roof that is so dense that sunlight cannot penetrate and reach the forest floor. This makes the forest floor permanently cold and damp, and only shade-tolerant or parasite plants such as orchids and bromeliads grow here. Within these rainforests, a dense canopy creates a world where the sun barely touches the ground. Now, let's shift our focus from the plants to the animals that call the Amazon their home. The forest is rich in fauna with birds like toucans, hummingbirds, and birds of paradise that make loud noises and have brightly colored plumage, oversized beaks for eating. Animals like monkeys, sloths, crocodiles, and eating tapirs, and reptiles like anacondas, rock pythons, etc. are also found here. It is also home to thousands of species of insects and hundreds of species of fish like the famous fish-eating piranha. Life in the rainforest is vibrant and varied. Let's take a closer look at how the people build their lives in harmony with the forest. In the equatorial region, people cultivate small areas by clearing trees, with men hunting and fishing while women tend to crops like tapioca, pineapple, and sweet potatoes. The primary agricultural method is slash and burn, with cassava being a staple food. Besides, people consume queen ants and eggs, and also cultivate cash crops such as coffee, maj, and cocoa. Houses are constructed using rainforest wood, ranging from thatched beehive-shaped homes to Maloca-style apartment-like dwellings. With the construction of the Trans-Amazon Highway, transportation has become more accessible, reducing dependence on rivers. Air travel is also utilized, and indigenous populations displaced from their lands have resettled elsewhere. From the dense greenery of the Amazon, we travel across the world to the fertile lands of the Ganga-Brahmaputra Basin. This area is shaped by mighty rivers and is home to a very different ecosystem. The Ganga-Brahmaputra Basin is formed by the tributaries of the Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers in the Indian subcontinent. It lies in the subtropical region between 1 degree and 30 degrees north latitudes. Tributaries of the Ganga include the Gomti, Son, Kosi, and Gandaki rivers, along with Brahmaputra tributaries. Let's explore the climate of the basin. The area is dominated by monsoon climate, so it rains from mid-June to mid-September. Summers are hot and winters are cool, making the climate tolerable in all seasons. Let's explore the flora and fauna that thrive in this unique climate. Vegetation in the Ganga and Brahmaputra plains includes trees like mango, neem, and teak. Bamboo forests thrive in the Brahmaputra plain and the Delta region. Regions like Uttarakhand and Sikkim feature diverse trees like oak and rhododendron due to altitude and climate. But it's not just about flora and fauna. The cities within this basin are bustling hubs of culture and commerce. Let's take a look at some of these cities and how they've grown. Ganga Brahmaputra plain hosts major cities like Allahabad, Kanpur, Varanasi, Lucknow, Patna, and Kolkata, each with over 1 million inhabitants. Industrial wastewater pollutes rivers due to urbanization. Well-developed transport infrastructure includes railways, roadways, and waterways. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures, and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on Eduref to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all, you also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 7. Thank you.